Hi, this is Rick Pedley. Welcome back to PK Safety Supply. Today we're going to be looking at the Memphis Kevlar sleeve. This particular one is their model number 9378T. So, like any or most Kevlar products, it's yellow in color. Now, DuPont makes the underlying yarn that these things are made from. These are then knit into a tube. Now, this particular style is double thick. That is, we have a tube of Kevlar, they double it up and sew it off at this end so that you have an elastic sleeve that you can pull over your arm, and it will protect you from a variety of hazards. The other detail about this particular product is that this hole that's cut out on the side here, you can see that it's got a sewing along the edge. That's going to be for your thumb. So when we pull this sleeve on, it's going to conform to our arm. It's going to have virtually full forearm protection. So I'll take this, put my hand inside of it. It slides on quite easily and it goes all the way up your forearm, right? So you see that the thumb is out here as well as your fingers. So if you're going to be wearing a glove, as a for instance, you can easily pull a glove onto this. Or if you're wanting a lot of dexterity but want to protect your arm. Now, I would say most of the time people are going to put a glove over this, but there's a lot of different reasons. Now, Kevlar, why do we like Kevlar? A couple different reasons. Cut resistance. Now these things, it's a knit product, so don't say puncture because, you know, needle or whatnot can easily get between the threads here. But if we have a blade cutting across here, it's going to be quite resistant to cutting. So a lot of times what we have is people who might be holding a knife in their left hand and a box cutter, that sort of thing, and it might just incidentally go across their arm. You don't want to get cut. This is going to protect you from that. The other thing that's really cool about Kevlar is its heat resistance. This material starts to char at 1,000 degrees. Now, I certainly wouldn't want to be up against something that's 1,000 degrees, but if you're in the type of application wherein your arm could come in contact with something that's quite hot, this would be the thing to wear. We sell a ton of these to people in muffler repair shops. They're reaching up against hot exhaust pipes all the time. Or if you're working in well, anything with something hot there that you're going to go up against. This is going to protect you. The double layer is going to give you some thermal protection as well as the material itself not burning. And it's popular for those, you know, cut resistance, heat resistance, excellent product. I can't tell you how many of these we sold, and people seem to be quite happy with them. That's the Memphis 9378T. We do have this available without the thumb hole, right? So it would, your hand would, it could be at your wrist. We have it in different lengths, 12, 14, and 18-inch long versions. And this particular one, as I say, was double thick. They do have an economy version that is single thickness. Costs a little bit less money, but this double thick, I think that's the way you'd go. But it covers your entire forearm, as you can see. So there you go. Thank you.